Elon Musk owns how much Bitcoin? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. We have breaking Bitcoin news as Arkham, a crypto company who also has their own token, has just revealed how much Bitcoin Elon Musk, and not really him individually, but how much his companies like Tesla owns on their balance sheet. Very interesting stuff. And it's amazing because with AI, we're learning more and more about the world. And I think when we think about AI and investing, I talked about a cryptocurrency project yesterday called Smart, SMRT, basically that's able to track all the whale wallets. And, we have all this intel and insight that we didn't have thanks to AI. A lot of people like to talk about the negative side of artificial intelligence, but I'm pretty optimistic. I think there are a lot of things that are really, really beneficial, not only just for this and investing, but just overall, right? It's kind of like the internet. You could use it for good, you can use it for bad, but I think the good outweighs the bad, right? But anyways, let's talk about Elon Musk. Let's talk about Bitcoin, how much Bitcoin he actually owns, which is pretty staggering. We mentioned Arkham is the company that is behind this discovery, and Arkham detected that Tesla and SpaceX cryptocurrency wallets, actually just discovering them in general was a big deal. And then they dove into how much Bitcoin is in these wallets. Now, of course, Tesla, publicly traded company, SpaceX, private company of Elon Musk. And investors are curious about this, obviously, because the most influential people in the world, they are investing in Bitcoin. We know that Elon Musk is on board. There are rumors that oh my gosh, his name escapes me. Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos, of course, former CEO of Amazon. He's since stepped down. By the way, he became the richest man in the world over Elon recently. But he sold a ton of Amazon stock. There were a bunch of rumors that he sold billions of Amazon stock to buy Bitcoin. Not sure if those are 100% accurate. We know that many billionaires own Bitcoin. Mark Cuban's another one, very big advocate of crypto in general, even outside of Bitcoin. But at this point, crypto analysis company Arkham said in its post that it detected that Bitcoin wallets of Tesla and SpaceX, giant companies, of course, owned by Elon. Tesla currently is sitting on 11.51 thousand Bitcoin, which right now is currently worth 780 million. They have 68 different addresses where this Bitcoin is held. SpaceX is sitting on around 8.29 thousand Bitcoin, worth 560 million. And this is spread out in 28 addresses. So Tesla, 780 million on the balance sheet. SpaceX, 560 million on the balance sheet. If this doesn't get you excited about where Bitcoin's going, I don't know what will, right? If it doesn't pique your interest as somebody out there who's not yet invested in Bitcoin or not yet invested in crypto in general, I don't know what will get you excited or pique your interest. Now, Arkham identified Tesla and SpaceX Bitcoin holdings, as we mentioned right here. The on-chain fund flow they identified were consistent, and it does match the financial statements of that of Tesla and SpaceX. These numbers have been confirmed. And Tesla bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin back in January 2021. Now, they did sell Bitcoin twice. They sold it in the first quarter of 2021, and they also sold it in the second quarter of 2022. Tesla allowed the purchase of Tesla with Bitcoin between March 24th and May 12th. Looking back at this, Tesla should have held, and they'd be up even more. But it's probably reshuffling, reshuffling of the balance sheet. We see that all the time with big companies. But Arkham, again, brought this to our attention. Again, Arkham's a company, by the way, if you're not familiar with them, they're just outside the top 100. Here they are, about a $423 million market cap. So shout out to them for finding this. Their all-time high was actually just set 16 hours ago, but probably based on this news. But Arkham, and I'll give you a quick kind of rundown on what they do, but you can kind of probably already see they're using AI. It's a blockchain analysis platform using AI to basically de-anonymize, tough word, basically de-anonymize the opposite of anonymous, the blockchain and on-chain data. The platform's two main components are the analytics platform and the Intel Exchange. and it covers on various entities, exchanges, funds, whales, and tokens. This time they uncovered, obviously, Tesla and SpaceX Bitcoin holdings. So very interesting info. I think it's certainly bullish for Bitcoin. And it definitely, if you're somebody on the sidelines looking at this saying, this Bitcoin thing, do you think it's really going to last? I mean, I like to listen to the smartest and brightest minds in the world, at least pay attention to what they're doing. And the fact that Elon in these two companies has that much Bitcoin stacked up is interesting. In terms of the price of Bitcoin, let's get off the 1 minute chart, go to the 1 day. You can see here we have dialed back since setting all-time highs just back on Tuesday of this week, just a couple of days ago, got up over 69,000. Right now, just over 67,000. Keep in mind, we dipped down below 60,000 after we touched 69,000. Peter Schiff was saying, oh my gosh, it just dropped 10,000. It's all over. Well, since then, Peter and all the other Bitcoin haters, we're back up to 67K. People just don't understand, or at least are willing to, I don't know, basically fight against this, and it just doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. People like Elon and Bezos and so many people are on board with this crypto push. BlackRock, Fidelity. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below. I appreciate you guys for checking out the video. By the way, if you want to check out an easy trading indicator to use, very, very simple. XT Algo, this is my company. Look at this. It called Bitcoin, guys, on the daily chart. It called Bitcoin 29 days ago at a price of $45,240. You'd be up 48% if you had the alert set on Bitcoin on the 1 day and listen to our trading indicator call this out again 29 days ago. XT Algo, big discount going on right now in the description as well. Check it out. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.